Hello viewers, good evening. Welcome to Current Affairs Quiz. Today I am going to discuss July current affairs from 21st to 25th. Without further ado, we'll start the session. Lalji Tandon, governor of which of the following state passed away recently? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. And now we'll see about each options. Uttarakhand CM and Madhya Pradesh governor CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. And Uttarakhand CM T.S. Rawat, and its governor is Baby Rani Maurya. Please note, if you do not know anything, please note it down. And Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath. And Governor Anandiben Patel. And she was given the charge of Madhya Pradesh governor during the treatment to Lalji Tandon. Anandiben Patel. Tripura CM is Biplab Kumar Deb. And governor is Ramesh Bais. And none of the above. So the next question. India's first public EV, that is electric vehicle charging plaza, has been inaugurated by which of the following by the Minister of Power, New and Renewable Energy in which of the following state? The answer is New Delhi. So it has been inaugurated in New Delhi by Ministry of Power, and the Ministry of Power is R.K. Singh. And his constituency is Ara. It is in Bihar. Next. And in New Delhi, the place is at Chelmsford Club. And it was established by EV charging was established by EECL. It might be one more question. EECL, that is Energy Efficiency Services Limited. And along with this, there is one more NDMC. So both these together established EV charging, electric vehicle charging, and New Delhi Municipal Council. Next question. Which initiative has been launched by the Union HRD Minister for Students? And the answer is Manav Darpan. And Dhruvastra, it is a anti-tank guided missile. India's anti-tank guided missile, Dhruvastra is. It was successfully launched and it was established by DRDO, Dhruvastra. And we'll see it. Dhruvastra, it is India's anti-tank guided missile developed by DRDO. We'll see some more details of Manodarpan. Manodarpan, it is a platform to provide psychological support to students, teachers, families for mental health and emotional well-being, and it is a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. It was launched by PM Modi in May 2020. Next. MIAS means Ministry of Youth Affairs. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport partnered with UNICEF, and it has partnered with UNICEF to strengthen the government of India's resolution to mobilize 1 crore dash volunteers to attain the goals of Atmanirbhar Bharat. And what is the answer for this? The answer is youth. The answer for this question is youth. And also by UNICEF, and there was Yuva, and it is a multi-stakeholder platform. This is a multi-stakeholder platform formed by UNICEF. Yuva, multi-stakeholder platform by UNICEF. Next question. And one more. And the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Minister is Kiren Rijiju. And his constituency Arunachal West. Next question. Who has inaugurated Zoram Mega Food Park in Mizoram? It is the first mega food park, and the answer is Harsimrat Kaur Badal. What is this ministry? So the name indicates food, right? So Ministry of Food Processing Industries. And Harsimrat Kaur Badal's constituency is Bathinda, and it is in Punjab, located in Punjab. And who is the CM of Mizoram? CM of Mizoram is Piyush Zaramthang. He is the CM. PS Sridharan Pillai is Governor of Mizoram. Next question. ICC Men's T20 World Cup postponed to which year due to COVID-19? The answer is 2022. It was actually scheduled to be held in 2020, but now it is postponed to 2022 due to COVID-19. And also one more thing, 2023 ODI World Cup in India. It is to be held in India, and it is also postponed to October-November 2023 from February 2023 itself. February March to October-November. Next, Mukhyamantri Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana will be launched in which state? The answer is Delhi. And this is linked to Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana. It is linked to One Nation, One Card. One Nation, One Ration Card. One Nation, One Ration Card. And Haryana, we'll see the details about each option. Punjab CM is Amarinder Singh. Amarinder Singh. And its Punjab governor is VP Singh Badnoor. VP Singh Badnoor. There might be one question based on the CMs or governors. Please note it down if you do not know it. VP Singh Badnoor, Amarinder Singh. Next, Haryana CM Manohar Lal Khattar. Manohar Lal Khattar. And governor is Satyadev Narayan. Satyadev Narayan Arya. Next, and there is also one more bit, Ghar Ghar Nigrani. So Punjab also launched Ghar Ghar Nigrani, and it is house to house surveillance program. Ghar Ghar Nigrani. It is in news recently. Ghar Ghar. Don't get confused with Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana and Ghar Ghar Nigrani. Ghar Ghar Nigrani, it is a house to house surveillance program in Punjab, and Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana, it is in Delhi. Next question. Punjab launched Ghar Ghar Nigrani app. Ghar Ghar Nigrani. Haryana, it has launched e-Sachivalay portal. E-Sachivalay portal. It is a digital platform facilitating people to take online appointments for virtual meetings with CM, Deputy CM, ministries. And Kerala, largest solar power plant of Indian Navy. It has launched solar power plant of Indian Navy commissioned. Launched largest solar power plant of Indian Navy. It is commissioned 3 megawatt solar power plant at Indian Naval Academy. It has commissioned at this place. And Environment Minister is Prakash Javadekar, and he has launched a piloting of National Transit Pass system in Delhi. Some more details about Delhi. National Transit Pass system, HRD Minister. And Maharashtra, first state in India to use drones to inspect power lines. About Maharashtra. Next question. Who authored a book titled Suraj Kade Marda Nahi? This is the book, and it was titled. It was authored by which of the following authors? The answer is Baldev Singh Sadaknama, and the book is based on the life of Life of Uttam Singh Sadagnama. And we'll see details about each option in the next slide. P. Praveen Siddharth is the new personal secretary to the President of India. Personal Secretary Praveen Siddharth, the personal secretary to President of India. And Ashwini Kumar Tewari is the new MD and CEO of SBI Cards and Payment Services. And Hussain Zaidi, this might be one more question. Hussain Zaidi authored a book titled The End Game. The End Game, it was published by HarperCollins India. And this book was published by Unister Books. There might be a question based on this. Who published this book? So last time it was asked who published the so and so science book. Next question. Which of the following will host the 45th India Ideas Summit on 2020 on July 22nd? The answer for this is India Business Council. Next. Indian Navy and US Navy conducted passage exercise in which ocean? Black Sea, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. We'll see the answer. Indian Ocean. The answer is Indian Ocean. Next question. And chief of naval staff is Admiral Karambir Singh. Next question. And it is the passage exercise is PASEX. Short form from here to here. PASEX. Next question. UPI AutoPay facility for recurring payment launched by which of the following? UPI AutoPay. UPI means Unified Payments Interface. Which of the following? The answer is NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India. We'll see about each option. National Mine. See, the options are NMDC, Karur Vysya Bank, NPCI, MFIN, FAMPay. So the answer is NPCI, that is a National Payment Corporation of India. We'll see about each option. National Mine Development Corporation, that is NMDC, and its new MD and CEO is Sumit Deb, and Karur Vysya Bank's new MD and CEO is Ramesh Buddu, and Microfinance Institution MFIN, Microfinance Institution Network, its new CEO and director is Alok Mishra. FAMPay, it is recently in news. India's first neobank for teenagers. It has launched India's first numberless card, FAMPay. Numberless card, and it can be used like debit card by teenagers without the permission of parents. Next. Home Minister has launched Vriksharopan Abhiyan in which of the following state? Next, the answer is New Delhi. The answer is New Delhi, and we'll see about each option: Punjab, Odisha, Nagpur, and Gujarat. And also, this was organized. Home Minister was Amit Shah. Home Minister is Amit Shah. Amit Shah has launched Vriksharopan Abhiyan, and it was organized. It was organized by Ministry of Coal and Mines and Ministry of Coal and Mines, Parliamentary Affairs. Who is he? Who is the Ministry of Coal? It is Prahlad Joshi. Prahlad Joshi. He organized this Vriksharopan. Next. So about Punjab government tied up with IIT Ropar for skill development. And Odisha, it is recently in news about this rare yellow turtle was discovered in the state Odisha. And next, AIMS Nagpur launched smart wristband to track COVID-19 patient in collaboration with IIT Jodhpur and IIT Nagpur. And Kakrapur atomic power plant, it is in Gujarat, and it has attained criticality on 22nd July, and it is India's first 700 megawatt electric pressurized heavy water reactor. It is a heavy water reactor with innovative features. A nuclear reactor is said to attain criticality when every nuclear fission event releases sufficient number of neutrons in order to sustain an ongoing series of reactions or self-sustaining chain reaction. Next. Which bank has partnered with National Skill Development Corporation to train rural youth on financial services? Bank of Baroda, Airtel Payments Bank, Union Bank of India, Andhra Bank, Corporation Bank. We'll see the answer. The answer is Airtel Payments Bank. Airtel Payments Bank, and the Bank of Baroda, its HQ, that is headquarters, is in Vadodara, Gujarat. And Union Bank of India's headquarters is in Mumbai. Andhra Bank, Hyderabad. Corporation, and headquarters of Corporation Bank is Mangalore. Next, we'll see about each options. Bank of Baroda, it has launched InstaClick Savings. InstaClick Savings account, 100% paperless digital self-assisted online savings account, and its tagline is India's International Bank. And Life Insurance Corporation, LIC, Union Bank of India, and Union Bank of India, it has amalgamated with Corporation Bank and as well as Andhra Bank. And these two, LIC and Union Bank of India, They have announced a corporate agency agreement to distribute LIC policies. And Union Bank of India's tagline is good people to bank with. Next, Chhattisgarh government has launched which of the following yojana? The answer is the Cow Nyaya Yojana, Gobar Nyaya Yojana, Cattle Nyaya Yojana, Godan Nyaya Yojana, and none of the above. The answer is Godan Nyaya Yojana. And Chhattisgarh's CM is Bhupesh Singh. Bhupesh Baghel. Bhupesh Baghel. And Governor Ansuya UK. Ansuya UK is the governor of Chhattisgarh. And Godan Nyaya Yojana, it helps to promote cattle rearing. It helps to promote cattle rearing and ensure the safety of livestock. Livestock means the cattle, and it also helps the cattle ranchers to earn extra income, and also help in tackling the problem of open grazing by straight cattle and encourage the use of organic fertilizers. Next question. Greta Thunberg has been named the winner of the inaugural Gulbenkian Prize for Humanity. She belongs to which country? China, Turkmenistan, Sweden, Nicaragua, Portugal. The answer is Sweden. And Gulbenkian Prize, it is Portugal based prize. China launched Tianwen, its independent mission to Mars on Long March 5 carrier. Then next, World Trade Organization General Council, it has granted observer state to the Turkmenistan, and it is the 25th observer country, and it would help the country to develop. Why is this status? Why is this observer status? And it is to develop its economy, promote multilateral cooperation, attract foreign investment, and develop international trade relations. For that reason, the WTO grants the observer status to any country. Republic of Nicaragua. It has become the 87th country to sign the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement. And the prize is Portugal based. Next question. National Broadcasting Day observed on 21st June, 22nd June, 23rd July, May 1st. The answer is 23rd July. And 21st June, it is celebrated as International Yoga Day. And 22nd June, it is Rainforest Day. And May 1st, it is International Labour Day. Next question. Which Bollywood actor launched Pravasi Rozgar app to help migrants to find job opportunities across India? Salman Khan, Amir Khan, Sonu Sood, Ritesh Deshmukh, and none of the above. The answer is Sonu Sood. He launched the Pravasi Rozgar app. Next. Who is the chairman of the Technical Advisory Committee constituted by National Financial Reporting Authority (NFRA)? The committee will advise the executive body of the NFRA on the issues related to the drafts of accounting and auditing standards. This might be a question in the examination. Urjit Patel, R. Narayanaswamy, Arnab Chaudhary, M.K. Jain. The answer is R. Narayanaswamy. We'll see about each option now. Urjit Patel and M.K. Jain is the Deputy Governor of RBI. Deputy Governor of RBI. And Urjit Patel, we'll see. He was the former governor of RBI. And Urjit Patel, he became recently he has become the chairman of NIPFA, and its full form is National Institute of Public Finance and Policy. And next, renowned animator Arnab Chaudhary, he was posthumously was conferred Legend of Animation Award by Toons Media for his invaluable contribution to animation and entertainment industry. Next question. The vaccine developed by the University of Oxford and which of the following drug maker company has shown a positive result? Moderna, GlaxoSmithKline, Johnson & Johnson, Roche, AstraZeneca. The answer is AstraZeneca. And what is the vaccine's name? It was officially declared as known as the vaccine's name is AZD1222. It is the vaccine's name. It is known as the vaccine was officially known as AZD1222. Next question. One-stop scheme to fast-track investments in is an initiative of which of the following state? So the answer Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Odisha. We'll see the answer. Answer is Rajasthan. We'll see about each option. Andhra Pradesh, it is recently in news about AP, that is Andhra Pradesh, and Amul signed up to help SHG. SHG means self-help groups to boost milk cooperatives. And Kerala is in news about India's first floating bank. It has been launched by SBI. It is located in Kerala. India's first floating bank by SBI. It is in Kerala. And Tamil Nadu is in news for launch. It has launched a web portal for unorganized sector workers. Next, Odisha is in news for JETCOL, that is green energy, and NHPC. They both linked a pact to develop floating solar power projects. Next question. Name the drone that was developed by DRDO for the Indian Army for accurate surveillance along the chain border. The answer is Bharat, Dhruvastra, Fluffy, Laksha, Netra. What is the answer? We'll see. The answer is Bharat. And DRDO also established DRDO and Dhruvastra. It is the anti-guided anti-tank guided missile. India's anti-guided anti-tank guided missile. And this DRDO also, it has also established COVID-19 testing facility. COVID-19 testing facility, and it is Dihar. It is the laboratory established. It was set up by DRDO, and it is located in Leh Ladakh. This might be one more question. Leh Ladakh. This is the COVID-19 testing facility by DRDO. I'll write it one more time clearly. DRDO. It has established Dihar at Leh Ladakh, and the full form of Dihar is Defense Institute High Defense Institute of High Altitude Research. I'll read one more time. Defense Institute of High Altitude Research. Please note it down because they may ask the full form of Dihar in the examination. Next, New Wise was in news recently. What does it refer to? A Mars mission program of NASA, operation of the US Navy in the South China Sea, a comet, human development program by the UNDP, none of the above. The answer is a comet. Next question. First ever INSAT test 2020 was conducted by the National Testing Agency under Study in India program. What does S stand for in INDSAT? So, study, scholarship, scholastic, social, scientific. The answer is scholastic. And the full form of INDSAT is Indian Scholastic Assessment Test. Next question. Which country has launched its first military communications satellite named Anasis 2? Israel, South Korea, Bangladesh, North Korea, and none of the above. The answer is South Korea. And its capital is Seoul. Next. And Israel is also in news about developing. It is in news about for India and Israel. These together are developing COVID rapid test kit. Israel and India. These two are developing COVID-19 rapid test kit. Rapid test kit, and it is expected to generate the results in 30 seconds. In just 30 seconds. Next, and Israel's capital is Jerusalem. Currency is shekel. Next, Bangladesh, Dhaka and Dhaka. Dhaka is the capital. Dhaka is the currency. And Bangladesh, it is a news for there is Chattogram port. Chattogram port is located in Bangladesh. Chattogram port. It is located in Bangladesh. Next question. And the last question of the session. What will be the share of the Karnataka government in the Karnataka Digital Economy mission that to be set up under the cabinet approval? 51%, 60%, 49%, 73%, and 30%. The answer is 49%. And also 51% is industry's share. Industries industries hold this percentage? And Karnataka's CM and Governor. CM is B.S. Yediyurappa. And Governor is Vajubhai Wala. Vajubhai Wala. And thank you. Please do subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it, and click on the bell icon to get my next notification. Thank you. This is the end of the session.